What is the difference between a couch and a sofa? Well, both words are pretty much used interchangeably. You might say, I want to lie down on a couch, I want to lie down on a sofa, but do both words really mean the same thing or refer to the same thing? Well, let's talk about that. In modern day society, yeah, pretty much you could say couch or sofa to describe furniture that you sit or lie down on. However, if you examine the history of the words or the origins of the words, you'll know where the differences are. Couch is derived from a French word that means lie down or to lie down. So any furniture that that's like 2 or 3 pieces that's long enough for you to lie down on, you could technically call that a couch, especially if it doesn't have any armrests, no armrests at all. So you can stretch your feet off the edges. Sofa it comes from an Arabic word, and it means a bench or a wooden bench. So that would be for sitting. Sofa, you don't lie down on a bench, you sit on a bench. So any furniture that you sit down on is technically a sofa. So if there's like a one-piece piece of furniture, that's a sofa, not a couch. Of course, sofas do come in 2, 3, 4 pieces that are connected together. So, it could be a couch too. That's the weird thing. But here's the thing. If your primary use for the furniture is, let's say, to have multiple people sitting on it, then that would be a sofa. But if it's going to be used just for lounging, stretching your legs, lying down, then you call it a couch. If it has armrests on the end, then it's really a sofa. Yeah, that's basically the main way you can tell the difference. Look for armrests at the end. If there's armrests, then it's a sofa. If there are no armrests, then it's a couch. But again, that's a very mild difference. You're still gonna find most furniture pieces have armrests these days. So it really, in the end, it doesn't really matter. If you say sofa when it should be couch, no one's really gonna catch you on it because people use both words in the same context. So, but that was just a little history of where the words come from. So if you want to refer to like, oh, I want to lie down on the couch, then that would be correct. You don't say, I want to lie down on the sofa. That doesn't really ring a bell. That's not really the correct way to say sofa. You say, I want to sit down on the sofa, I want to lie down on the couch. That's basically the main difference. So, all right. Hope that helped. Again, it's not set in stone. You can use either word, but if you want to use it a little more correctly, use either word a little more correctly, then now you know the difference. All right? Subscribe. Thank you.